Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using OpenCart for beginners in 2024. OpenCart, first of all, is a powerful open source e-commerce platform that allows you to create and manage your online store with ease. So if you want to know how to start using it, make sure to follow this step-by-step guide. So let's make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. And basically, just go to their official website by going to this URL section and type in opencarts.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you should be taken to their home screen or main screen website right away. If you have an account by any chance, you can simply go to the top right corner, click on login to log in into an account. And if you don't have an account, click on register instead. So as you can see, you can log in into an account or create an account, depending on whatever you want. But basically what we want from here is simply to download the latest version if you don't have it yet downloaded. As you can see, you can either install OpenCart for free with this option or OpenCart Cloud Store in 5 minutes, and you can start by that by 7 days free trial. If you go and click on that as an example, your own here OpenCart, as you can see, we take care of the rest. So if you click on get started as an example, you'll be taken to log in into an account if you have one. If you don't, click on create an OpenCart account, and basically you'll have here to create your own account. If you go with the free option as an example, they will give you to download now if you want to and host your own as an example. You'll be able to download this, customize your own hosting solution, install and configure your store, paid supports, approved partners, or clone the OpenCart GitHub repository. If you want to open your cloud store, don't waste any time on hosting configuration. You'll be able to do so also from here. And you can even use this easy to set up by our hosting partner if you want to go with it, as you can see. Other download option, they have the GitHub option. I don't know what's that, and Amazon Web Service. The requirements, as you can see, you'll be able to see is here. So web servers, Apache suggested, PHP at least 5.4, curl enabled, and database MySQL I suggested. So let's just go back as an example to the paid options. So here, or the 7 days free trial, first of all, option. And of course, let me just go and open a new tab. You can, first of all, like if you are hesitating which one you should choose, you can view the demo of this and even this. So the free option, as an example, will have these options for you. So you have the storefront and administration. So you'll be able to view the storefront. If you click on it as an example, you'll be able to see how it's going to look like for other people. Yeah, it's going to be looking like that and etc. So I don't know, maybe why the pictures are not loading here correctly. So it's just a demo, so you have nothing to say, I guess, about it, as you can see. So you can click on components, tablets, software, and see how it's gonna look like. So, as an example, this is the storefront. If you want to access the administration, you can click also on this. And as you can see, they'll tell you to log in. Basically, the login is demo. So you'll basically have to click on login option, and you should be logged in without any problem. As you can see, this is gonna be a demo account to try things out on it and see if it's gonna work as intended, or to test out if you want the free option or the 7 days free option or trial free option. As you can see, so as you can see, you can access the dashboard, catalog. So just log in again. Catalog, like extensions, design, sales, like we'll be able to access anything like customers, marketing system, reports, as you can see. So you'll be able to access the marketplace, like catalog, as an example, products. If you want to add some specific products, example here. If you want to like delete some as an example, so you'll be able to access anything, add variants, remove some products, as an example, add a new product, do whatever you want in the demo to try things out. So as an example, we've tried now the install OpenCart for free. So we can try this right now. So which one is it? Okay, I'll just close those and open this from new as an example. So it's going to be basically the same thing, but it might have other features, example, different. So as you can see, this loads like the pictures correctly, and it's switching between them like correctly. It seems like better like response other than the free one. So you can just go here and check some stuff as example, as about tablets, software as example, maybe iPhone iPads, cameras, MP4 players example, maybe those as example, and etc. So this is going to be the front or storefront. You can go with the administration also. You can basically just log in, and as you can see, yeah, it's better. Like it seems like everything is working better than the free options. For example, you can also access the product. You can edit on them as example. You can create a new ones. You can just go and delete some as example. Maybe okay, I don't want this anymore in my store as example. I'll just go here and delete it. As you can see, of course, they'll tell me like you don't have permissions to modify products. Why? Because I'm on demo accounts. But for you, of course, if you're on your like a real store, you'll be able to do all of that. So once you access both those options, you have now first option, which is the free. And the second option, which is this one, is 7 days free trial. So once you try both demos, you can simply make your decision depending on whatever you saw. Of course, you can even start going with the free if you like it. No need to go with this. But if you want to get like better options, you can simply just go and start with that. Of course, it's paid, but you'll get a 7 days free trial. So do whatever suits you. And basically, as I said, just follow the step-by-step guide that they'll provide by you. They'll give you basically anything. You'll have to create your account, add the payments method, and launch your open carts in less than 5 minutes. You will have your store if you go with that option. You will have nothing to do. Like it's going to be very easy, hosted on Amazon, no transaction fees, themes and extensions, and basically everything. You will be good to start your e-commerce store. But if you go with the free plan instead, as example, you have some steps to do by your own, some advanced steps. It might be a little bit annoying, especially if you're not good with it. So keep that in mind. Of course, you'll find even some articles online if you want to help you with the steps, but even here it's telling you a lot of stuff. But you'll find some articles to help you all the way on how to download this for free. It's a little bit annoying if you need some help, and even some videos on YouTube. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. So goodbye.